Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can add a page border to this Microsoft Word document, except the cover page. If we come right here, notice we have 1 of 12. So we want to insert a page border on all page except this cover page right here. Yes. How are you going to do that? Right, as I can see, let me bring up the rest of the page that I can actually see exactly. So notice these are the rest of the page and all of that. And if you're new, just stick to the end of this video and you know exactly how to add a page border around all pages except the cover pages. Alright, so the first thing that you wanted to do is to come right up here to the tab. You're going to click on the design tab. Now when you click on design tab, you're going to come all the way to your right. You notice a page background. So up top, you have watermark, color, page color. Right here, you're going to look at the border. But if you notice, you have two different types of border. This itself is the layout, which will show you exactly how it looks like out here. Right, so over here, you can actually choose one of these. But if you come right inside here, this is the layout. So if you click on what that is, you notice it show right here. So this is the display where you can actually see exactly how the border look like before you can actually press OK, right? And you can actually scroll on here. I can also click next time. But what if you don't really like this type of border? You just want some pretty type of border. You're going to come all the way here. You notice the art is a none. You're going to click right there. Okay. You're going to click that. You notice how it's still right here. So in case if you don't need that one, you can actually come right here. You can actually scroll up. Just the same, looking at all of them, just like that. And then what you wanted to do is choose the one that exactly want. So I want this one. But if you notice the border one is thick, right? So I want to come right here, that's a width. I'm gonna decrease it, right, by using the down one, right? And if you notice, the border one is getting smaller, okay, take a time, just like that, it looks smaller. The next thing you wanted to do, you're going to come right here, that's a apply, right? You're going to click on this little pointer right here. You notice it said this section, this section the first page only, so this section all except the first page. So you're going to click on this one, which is the last one. Now when you click on this last one, you're going to click right here, OK. But if you notice, I click on OK, notice you see nothing right here on the cover page. All right, so I'm going to scroll down. You notice all the rest of the page actually have on the page border, just like that. If you notice, the cover page don't have on it. So that's exactly how we actually insert border around all pages except the first page. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video here. Just write a comment, share it to your friend. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.